Where does the name for Cogan come from? So today I'm in Bro Morgannwg, the Vale of Glamorgan, just outside Cardiff, Caerdydd, and this area behind me is called Cogan. Let's get into the name. Cogan is a great example of how a place name can be deeply descriptive of the geography around it. Here it's made of the word caug, meaning a bowl, and an, a diminutive suffix, so literally the small bowl. What does the settlement here have to do with bowls? Well, not much, but it is located in a small bowl-shaped hollow surrounded by higher land on all sides. Now the area actually used to be called Cogan Pill for a while. According to the Dictionary of Place Names of Wales, for some time it was known as Cogan Pill, with Pill being a tidal inlet. That was roughly situated where Penarth Dock is now. There was a manor house here first recorded in the 1530s as Cogan Pill House, and it was in the Herbert family for many generations. Like with much of this side of Cardiff, the population and village expanded significantly when the docks were built. It was also the site of a brickworks. So the name literally means the little bowl. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.